Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure and use the Math Captcha add-on in ARMember. Go to the ARMember add-ons page. This is the ARMember inbuilt modules and add-ons page. Now scroll down, locate the Math Captcha add-on and install it. The add-on has been installed successfully. Now activate it. The add-on has been activated successfully. Now go to the Manage Forms page. This is the ARMember Manage Forms page. Now edit the sign-up form. This is the ARMember sign-up form page. In the sidebar, locate the Math Captcha section, enable the option, and save the form. Form saved successfully. Now go back to the Manage Forms page and edit the login form set. This is the login form set. Enable the Math Captcha option here as well. Now click the Save button to save the form. Form saved successfully. Now go to the front end. Now open the login form pop-up. This is the login pop-up. Here you can see the Math Captcha. Now open the sign up page. This is the sign up page. Here you can also see the Math Captcha. Now register a new member and enter the required details. Enter an incorrect Math Captcha value and click the Submit button. See the error message. Math Captcha verification has failed. Now enter the correct Math Captcha value and click the Submit button again. See, the member has been created successfully. Admins can also change the Math Captcha text box label. Go to the Backend side ARMember General Settings page. Open the Common Messages page. This is the Common Messages page. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. See, this is the Math Captcha Messages section. Here, you can change the Math Captcha field label and invalid message. Now click the Apply Changes button to save the changes. Changes saved successfully. That's it. This is how you can set up and use the Math Captcha add-on with ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.